Hello, it's Jody here, and in this short video I'm just wanting to show you what to do if you see these dreaded grey lines in your Bitsgap bot. It's actually happened to me on two of my bots. We've had a little bit of a bloodbath in the last couple of days at the time of this recording, so I've got a lot of my bots out of range, 4 out of 5 in fact. I'm about to start some new ones to take advantage of this downturn, but right now I need to fix what is happening with one of my bots that I've been running for over 3 months, and it's been doing really well, but all my red and green lines have disappeared, which would normally happen if you go out of range anyway, but there's all these grey lines. So what have I got to do? First and foremost, I went to the help desk, but they showed me that I need to click on the little graph thing here, scroll down and look at my order statuses and see that there's actually a problem. Okay, so they're not working. So what I can do is actually just click Fix All here, and it's going to slowly go through and reactivate those orders that are meant to be in place, which will make the lines go back to being their green and red lines. So it just takes a moment to do that, so I'll come back in a second and show you. So as you can see, it's jumped from 98 down to 93, and yep, it's slowly just going to go through and fix all of those orders. So I'll just pause this for a second and come back once they're all done and show you how that's actually re-engaged the actual bot again. So it's actually taking a few minutes to go through and fix all of those orders. It's been going down quite slowly, but just while it's finishing off the last few, we've got 18 to go. I'll explain what I read in the Bitsgap support, which you can access by just going to the bottom of your Bitsgap account and clicking on the little chat icon. So the support bot showed me what was happening, and basically there's a few reasons. Either there's just a technical issue with the API in your exchange, or perhaps you've reached some sort of trading limit. So that's all done there now. If I close that out, scroll back up, I've got all my red lines back again. So there's no green lines because I've gone out of range. So I can either put on trailing down, which is never really a good idea, but yeah, it's going to, as it comes back up after this massive dip corrects itself, then I'll be back in the trades there. But the main thing is I don't want to miss out. Like by having grey lines there, I would have been missing out on trades if I hadn't have come in and fixed it. So I hope that helps, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Come along and join us in our Crypto Kindy group on Facebook. That is where we help people get started in buying crypto, and of course with the view to actually coming along and joining us in the plan, which teaches the amazing settings to get results, which is hilarious to be showing you all of these out of range, but to get results like this, over 1% a day on a couple of bots, and between 0.58 and 0.78 on the other bots. Everything running from the last 3 months down to just the last 11 days. So I'm about to go and put on some new bots to take advantage of this dip and try and pick up a little bit of capital asset gain on the way back up, while also spitting out daily profits, because that's what it's all about. All right, we look forward to giving you a hand if you are in the plan, and of course just helping you get started in crypto. If you come into Crypto Kindy, just follow the links below this video. Thanks for watching.